This is probably going to be the most real and brutally honest video I've ever made. You need a YouTube channel, not a TikTok, not an Instagram, not more LinkedIn posts. You need to make a YouTube channel if you are making B2B sales. Now, I can talk about a million reasons why you actually need to do this, but the only thing I am going to talk about in this video as far as why you need to make one is you need a place where every single one of your case studies, your ideas, and everything that proves that you are good at the thing that you say that you're good at is well documented in a place where someone can easily and naturally find it. The problem I see with most B2B professionals is that they have been doing their practice for like years, some of them for decades. And the only thing that they have to prove it is someone taking their word for it. In 2024, with all of the scams that are going on right now, with as many people who have worked with bad agencies that I'm sure you are talking to all of the time on sales calls, you need to be able to prove that you are good at the thing that you say that you're good at. And you want people to be able to go down a rabbit hole of all of your ideas, all of your business successes, all of your accomplishments for like years. They need to be able to scroll and make it so that they have undeniable proof that you are good at the thing that you say that you're good at. It's why you need a YouTube channel. And it blows my mind that more of you don't take YouTube seriously. The platform that people naturally spend the most time on, as far as like consuming a piece of content, is YouTube. You're in B2B sales. That means none of your stuff is cheap or easy to afford. That means you have longer sales cycles. That means you need people to spend more time with you in order for them to trust you. But for whatever reason, you're making TikToks and writing out long LinkedIn articles that nobody will ever read. Look, again, we work in B2B sales. We do not need to convince thousands of people to buy our stuff. We need to convince like 10 every 2 months. And we have dramatically different businesses. But you're spending all of your time on things that actually don't matter. You have no proof of success. And the place where your ideal audience already is, you are not consistently posting content over an extremely long period of time. It's why you're not seeing the success that you want to see. It's why you can't predictably say what leads are going to come in. And it's why you can't say, this is the thing that will make my audience convert. Another reason why you actually need a YouTube channel is it will help you handle your objections 10 times better. I kid you not, every time I hear a common objection on a sales call, I go and I make a YouTube video about it. Because let's be real, we only have about 30 minutes for most of our prospects to be able to sell them on our stuff. I can't handle in depth every single one of your objections. So what I'll do after the call is say, hey, I couldn't handle it then, but I have an entire 15 or 20 minute video about the exact problem that you told me that you thought of. And here's a video explaining how we solved it, how we fixed it, and even better, this video is a case study about someone else who had that exact same objection, and we overcame them, had a very successful project, made them a ton of money. Objection handling is the best thing to happen on YouTube simply because you allow people to spend more time with you. And after they watch the video and they say, you know what, this guy or girl is really good at what they're talking about. And oh, look at this. They made a whole nother video about this topic that I'm also struggling with, about this problem that I haven't figured out how to solve. Maybe I should click this video too. And before you know it, this point mixes in with my previous point, and people are going down a rabbit hole now of, oh, I thought I had this objection, but I guess now that I don't. And when I show up to you for the second call, not only do I not have any more objections, but I spent so much more time with you than you have with me that I actually know, like, and trust you. So the first 5 to 10 minutes that are really, really awkward on a sales call, those actually aren't even happening anymore, because from the perspective of the person that you want to sell to, they feel like that they know you. And if they showed up to the call, they don't just feel like they know you, they like you, and they trust you because you showed them a place on your YouTube channel that you are good at what you say that you do. They like your personality. They think you come off well. They think that you are the person to help them solve this problem that they're more than likely extremely happy to throw money at. The other thing, and when I say by far the best thing that YouTube has done, and why I myself will personally make YouTube videos until the end of time, is because you get to filter out every bad prospect that you don't want and invite your dream prospects into your sales cycle. Now, what am I saying here? People are naturally drawn to people that they like or want to be like. That is a natural thing in human psychology. It works no different in B2B sales, which means when you allow somebody to spend time with you, they get to see, do I actually like this person? Do I feel like that we will be able to get along? Is this a person that I would want to work with? I'll be honest with you guys. People who don't show up on time and don't follow my instructions really, really get on my nerves. You know where you can tell that before you ever start working with me? My YouTube channel. If you don't follow my instructions, I won't talk about this thing again. As a matter of fact, I can tell you vividly on a lot of my YouTube channels, go watch my other competitors. They don't talk about the things that I talk about. They don't get their things done timely. Know that they talk about their results, their case studies, or the thing that they're actively working on inside of their businesses in order to make their clients more money. But I do. I also have a very large track record of success in e-commerce and in B2B and reselling, and I've made money just about everywhere on the internet that you can make it. So I know what I'm doing. And if you don't like that, that is amazing. Don't hire me. Don't book a call. Don't even talk to me. That's okay. But you know who looks at this and says, you know what? This goofy looking kid with glasses is actually really, really the person that I might need for my project? My dream client. The people that I know will work extremely well and more than likely will keep my agency rates successful because they pre-qualify themselves long before they ever get to the sales call, only because they're looking at my personality. I'm trying to tell you guys, YouTube is by far the best thing that I have ever done. And I'm telling you right now, you need to start doing it. And then you don't need to do any more thinking. You just start making YouTube videos. Like, pull out your phone, get a tripod. I've got tons of videos about how to actually shoot this stuff. Just do it. It is the best high ROI thing that you could possibly do. Now, you've heard me say this a ton of times before. Actually doing it yourself, why you need to get started, can easily take 10 to 20 hours a week if you have no clue what you're doing. And hell, you probably don't even know what to make your first YouTube video about. Click the first link down below and I will just give you my guide on the very first YouTube video that you should be making, like as in right now, to start making more money inside of your business. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Peace.